I'm getting a treat today. I got Bruce and the guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. And they're going to let me video the tagging process. I've given them 10 fish. So we're going to tag them and let them go. Give another opportunity to live. Or catch them down the road. We had to leave my boat, which is way back there, so that they could be far enough away to tag the fish and give them an opportunity to go wherever they want rather than right back to where my boat is. It keeps all the anglers on the even keel here, so nobody's getting any tagged fish located near their area. It's really a treat to be able to see this. And these guys will show you exactly what they do when they tag and release these fish. So it's going to be pretty cool. Getting all their tools out. There's all the fish I gave them.
220. Come on.
And clip the adipose fin. Then they measure him.
Four, 8-2, 482.
And back in he goes. Are you putting him in a catch release tank?
Yeah, but he didn't really go in because I got to turn it around, but I think he'll be fine.
Yeah. So you put him in there to lower him down, let him get acclimated, and then release him?
Yeah. And what happens usually is that we will sink them down, because sometimes they'll, even when anglers bring them up nice and slow and they're allowed to bird,
right,
they'll still be sick a little bit and they still need that pressure.
Okay. So it equalizes.
Yeah.
And then they can go on. That one was pretty good shape, so
yeah, he was.
it took off. And then they'll log it so they know what fish has that pit tag, and that'll get entered into the computer, and they can track that fish. It could be 5 years from now somebody will catch that fish and turn it in, and Cindy will register it in the computer, and they'll know it was tagged out on bird, and they caught it up in Wild Horse or Skidoo or somewhere else, and they know the tracking pattern. It's pretty interesting. They got to keep them in the water as much as possible so that they aren't out too long. Now he'll find the one he just clipped the fin on, inject it back into the release tank.
Four, 8, 1.
This is pretty cool. All these years I never knew how they did this. Now I've seen it. I love it. This is good stuff. Thanks, Bruce.
Yep, no problem. 420. This one's a double, Scott.
A double.
Yep. So we do both sides. Because our scientists want to know, these guys are expelling their tags.
Oh, so if there's two in there, you know he didn't expel it. And if there's one, it's logged and he did expel one.
Yep.
Okay.
And sometimes they come in and there's no tag, but they got all the other markings.
All the other markings, yeah. I've had several. Fins clipped clean, it's beautiful. Back in the day when you guys used larger pit tags, you could actually see them in the cheek.
Yeah.
It was a little easier, but these are smaller, so they can actually push them out.
Yeah.
Or they can work their way out.
Yeah, they'll slowly either work their way out and finally just come through the skin.
Yeah.
And
Like a sliver.
it can slide out.
Yeah,
This
exactly
is the
like a
size of it.
sliver.
It's like
Oh, it's yeah.
almost thinner than a grain of rice.
Very,
almost.
very small. Yep.
So it does have potential to slip right out.
Sure. Well, I could imagine too, it could just pop right back out the same hole it came in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lake trout are very slimy because they're in cold water, so they're hard to grab.
Three, 6, 0. Not only that, this cage adds us protection from these seagulls. If it's a small enough fish, these guys will swallow them whole.
Man, this
Just
is
go
a
right
pretty-
straight after them and eat
Yeah.
them.
Yeah,
Or
so they
peck
hound
at
us
their
all the
gills.
time.
Everywhere you go, you see a whole flock of seagulls
Yeah.
all around you. I wondered why.
Yep.
It's like, you guys feeding these things or what? They're just waiting for the opportunity.
Really are.
Yeah. Without that live cage, when they swim on top, they get them in one gulp.
Wow.
Three, 7, 5. As you can see here, these guys haven't went down yet because this cage is on the bottom is completely open and they're still there.
Oh yeah. Nope, they're just hanging out.
Yep.
When they feel like it, they'll swim down. Wow. So it's not like a bottom you open, it's just open on the bottom.
Yeah.
So when they feel like they're ready to go, they just swim down and leave.
Yep, exactly.
I see. So that fish swimming on the top, those seagulls will be all over him.
Yep.
Huh.
Will be. He's just barely small enough to be eaten whole.
Yeah. There he goes. No, he's still hanging out.
Oh. Three, 7, 5. Come on.
Now that one has like a
That's some kind of,
scar or something.
yeah, it could be an old hook injury here. You never know.
Yeah.
But it's not too severe.
Something tried to bite him.
Yep. Three, six, six.
There's the net boat heading back in. Way out there.
Four, 407. 407.
Went straight down, he gone. No food for you today, Seagull.
Look at my hands. Three, six, six.
Sit. Good boy. See, kids, not that bad getting a shot.
Still got one in there, so I'm gonna drop it. Yep. All good.
I did good. 10 out of 10. Well, guys, I can't thank you enough, really, for letting me do this, so I can show this and everybody can see the aspect that we never get to see normally, the tagging process. We showed the picking fish up process, but it's nice to know how the whole system is working. And this was awesome. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it. So that's it. That's the tagging process. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. Talk to you later. Mackdays 2019. What is the 16th of October?
Yep. 16.
Yeah. So a real treat today. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share. This should be a good one. See you later. Well, they're gonna drop me back off at my boat. I've had a great time. This was awesome. 20 minutes, I'm telling you. There she is, sitting out here floating all by herself. I feel like I'm outside myself. See that GPS anchorless trolling motor just held the boat right there while I was gone. Everybody's good. Only got 25 fish today, but it was a good day. See you later. There they go. I'm in my boat, and they're taking off. What a great learning process. I really appreciate them doing that. 10 years I've been seeing this, wondering how it was done. And now I know. That was cool. Way cool. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I don't know. I gotta catch fish now. See you later.